Moldy, charred, stuck pages. Restoring heavily damaged materials such as these so that they can be used and read is one of the tasks of the Technical Center in Münster. The restoration staff and assistants separate each individual page with the highest degree of diligence and care. This is followed by a removal of the surface dirt on each page. Cleaning and stabilization are the first and foremost duties of the Technical Center. Due to the enormous volume of damaged materials, the restoration team has a policy for the restoration of individual objects and materials. Not as much as possible, but as much as necessary. The archival material is placed in a sieve bag for a special washing process. This treatment removes harmful substances from the paper. During the wet processing, additional measures are important to make unstable original pages usable again. By means of a state-of-the-art texturing procedure, missing sections of the paper are replaced by filling them in with new paper fibers. The employees use the texturing device to treat pages with wax seals or many loose fragments as well as oversized materials. If the paper is severely degraded, the restoration team uses a special gluing process together with Japanese washi paper to stabilize the material. The paper is then dried in a press. After the drying process, the pages are folded, excess material is cut off, and everything is sorted back together in its original order. This concludes the quality treatment procedure for paper restoration. Archival material from the 19th and 20th centuries require in particular a drying cleaning procedure, the removal of rusted metal pieces and the smoothing and closing of tears. A majority of the paper from the time period 1850 to 1970 has decayed due to its manufacturing process. More than 60 kilometers of the State Archives materials have been affected by acidic decay. Specialized companies neutralize such paper with special equipment. Associated preparation work is conducted at the Technical Center. The archival materials are stored in resistant cartons in the temperature-regulated stacks. Besides the quality treatment of paper, the Technical Center is also responsible for the processing of individual objects such as parchment, certificates, seals or bindings. This requires an intensive treatment process for each individual archive document. For example, color coding layers need to be stabilized in order to digitalize the material. Large maps, images, documents, photographs and negatives are digitalized with flatbed scanners. The image documents that are created are available for use and help to protect the original document from damage. The microfilm inventory of archived materials is an additional option for digital access. The microfilm is scanned and may be viewed by visitors. The microfilm was made in connection with safety filming based on the Hague Convention for the protection of cultural property. To prevent a total loss of materials, for example, in the event of war, important archival inventories were systematically microfilmed on behalf of the German government. The original film is stored underground in a former mine shaft. The State Archive has duplicates of the microfilm, which are available for use and digitalization.